Hi guys, my name is Ankit and today I'm going to tell you about a technique called neural link. Okay, before starting anything, I would like to tell you that this video is bilingual, so English हिंदी दोनों में बात करेंगे and the main goal is कि whatever you see, you are able to comprehend it. ठीक है? So let's start. Here you can see neurons. Okay, the basic unit of brain. Basically, these are connected with each other to form a network so that signals from brain can reach to various parts of your body. Okay, this is how a neuron looks like. So basically there are three parts: cell body, axon and synapse. Synapse and cell body includes chemical changes, whereas axon includes electric changes. And here you can see two synapses where a chemical signal is being transmitted from one synapse to another. This chemical signal is known as neurotransmitter. Okay, here you can see an axon is creating an electric field around it since it consists of electric signals, and by putting an electrode just parallel to it, that electric field can be caught by that electrode. Okay, and that electric field is nothing but the signal given by the brain. So and if we can catch that particular signal, then we can take that signal and can process it further. Okay, अच्छा, what is the need, हमें क्यों ज़रूरत पड़ी न्यूरल लिंक बनाने की? Basically we wanted to save our time, our effort, and main thing is bandwidth. Okay, first when we need to write something, sorry, write something or give some data to anyone, we used to write it with the help of pen or pencil. Then it proved to be hectic, so we shifted to keyboard, and then again we shifted to Siri or Google Assistant, whatever you can say. Okay, and the next step to this hierarchy is BMI, brain machine interface, by which you just have to think and the thing will be done. Okay, so how this works? Okay, for that, a chip, a very tiny chip of 4 cross 4 millimeter is basically transplanted in your cortex area where your real consciousness exists. Okay, this chip comprises of 1000 electrodes. Okay, all these electrodes helps in catching the signals given by the brain. Okay, this is the machine with the help of which that tiny chip is transplanted into your head or into your cortex. You can see there are various cameras, infrared radiators and receivers as well. Okay, to do that minute work with 100% precision. Okay, and 100% accuracy as well. See, this was the experiment done on a guinea pig and which was successful. You can see a USB type C port over there, which is used to program the brain of that guinea pig, and it was proved to be successful as guinea pig did what it was programmed to do. Okay, but that a man cannot roam here and there with a USB type C in his head. Okay, so यहाँ पे what we made is a very light portable device. You can see a pod at the side of the ear. ठीक है, basically it gives the power and basic connectivity to the chip which is transplanted into your brain. Okay, this is a very appropriate example for you. Here you can see a lady. She is totally paralyzed and she is just thinking uh, uh, about eating that particular chocolate, and that robotic arm is connected wirelessly through the chip which is being transplanted into her head. In this way you can just think and things can be done easily. So due to time constraint, this is what all can I do? Okay, so thank you.